These are police handcuffs made from dimethyl cast, okay, and they can be used by children or adults for parties or drama or just to play and have fun, okay. For example, now you can lock your friend like this, okay, locked, and the other hand goes inside like this and lock it with the handcuffs, totally locked, okay, and you can play a police story or whatever you want, and then you can unlock it by putting the key inside here and turning it this way. It gets unlocked here, and this also. Like this. Thank you.